Hi, ladies and gentlemen. I am a Shivam Gaudre. Today was the fourth part of the Rich Dad and Poor Dad. They are the first lesson of this is the participate of is format. The next morning, I told my best friend, Mike, what my dad had said. As the best as could you tell? Mike, I were the only poor kind in this school. Mike was the also school by the twist of the fat. Some had draw a jog in the line, school of distraction, and we would up the school with the rich kind. We were really poor, but we felt up if you will become all other boys. No basketball gloves, no bicycle, and no everything. Mom and dad providing with the basic like food, shelter, and cloth. But that was the it. My dad uses to say, if you want something, work for it. We wanted the thing, but there is how much work available from 9-year boy. So what do you do make money? Mike asked. I don't know. I said, but you can't what to the parent. He agreed. And Saturday morning, Mike became to my first business partner. We spent all the morning coming with the idea how to make money. Occasionally, we talked about all the cool guys at Jamie beaches, how the having the fun. It hurt a little, but that is the hurt with good because inspired of keep during the thinking a way of to make a money. Finally, that afternoon, a bolt of lightning stung it was a idea of the Mike got from the science book and he read. Excitedly, we shook hand and partnership now a business. For the next several weekly, Mike had to run around the night board, knocking the door, asking the night wood if you to save their toothpaste tube of us with a puzzled look. Most of the adults accepted with a smile. Some asked what we were doing, to which reply, I cannot tell you. It was the business secret of mom crew were disputed at the week of the more. He had selected a seat of the next to her washing machine. We placed we could not stocking raw material in the bro carbon box that one of the time had costed bottle little pint and uses the toothpaste tubes began the grow. Finally my mom put her the foot down the sidely to the night bow messy crumped and uses the toothpaste tube to got it hit her. What are you boys doing? We asking and don't want to hear again. That is the business secret. Do something with the mess, and I am going from the show it. Mike, I placed the baguette explained what would you do. How to enhance you then you would to begin productive we informant that is the where waiting couple nightly finishes their the toothpaste. So would can you their tube? Mom grudges 1 week to extension. The date to begin the production had moved up and the pressure was on the my first partnership was already being treated with the eviction notice by the my own mom. It is the become Mike at the job to tell a night bomb to the brush more often away. Begin to the put together to product line. One day my dad drawn up the with friend